What if your blender could handle literally anything? Meet the Blendtec blender with WildSide Plus Jar Bundle, built for serious performance. This isn't your average kitchen blender. This is professional-grade power. From smoothies to frozen fruits, ice, nuts, even tough ingredients, it blends everything effortlessly. The secret? A powerful motor combined with the WildSide Plus Jar, designed for better flow and faster blending. Less stopping, more smooth results. And it's incredibly easy to use. With 4 pre-programmed cycles and 5 speed settings, you're always in control. Just press a button and it does the work. No guesswork. No hassle. Cleaning? Even easier. Just add water, a drop of soap, and run the self-cleaning cycle. Done in seconds. This bundle also includes a Spoonula spatula, perfect for scraping every last bit. In real use, it's fast, powerful, and reliable. Perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. So, who is it for? Anyone who wants professional results at home. If you're serious about blending, the Blendtec blender is a game changer. Check the link in the description for the latest price and details.